Kia ora, and welcome to Crystal Payroll. Managing ACC is a straightforward process in Crystal Payroll. There are two instances to consider for ACC. The first is that the employee had an injury within their workplace and the employer is required to pay 80% of their income for the first week. The second scenario is that the employee had an injury outside of their workplace and therefore ACC will cover their first week too. Either way, to begin processing an employee's first week of ACC, you must head over to Process a Pay and then Time and Income. Select the employee from the left-hand side. Select Leave Periods on the right-hand side of the page. Select Add. Set the leave type as ACC Paid Leave. Set the date range. This date range can be an estimation if you are not sure when they will return. Hit Save. Close this menu. The employee's timesheet will now be populated. If you need to pay for the first week of ACC, then select Allowance down the bottom of the page under More Income and Deductions. Select Set Up Allowance Items on the right-hand side of the menu. Select ACC First Week 80% from the left-hand side box. Select the arrow pointing toward the right-hand side box. You may also want to set up ACC First Week if you would like to pay 100% of the employee's wages instead. Close this menu. Select Add. Set the allowance item as ACC First Week 80% or ACC First Week. Enter the quantity as the total number of hours they were away for this period, up to a maximum of a week's worth of hours, and leave the pay rate as it is. Select Save. Close this menu and the payment will be down the bottom of the page. For future pay periods, you only need to ensure that the employee is placed on ACC Paid Leave and you do not have to worry about processing any further allowances unless you are wanting to top up ACC's payments to the employee. If you are wanting to top up ACC's payments, it is best to contact our Learning and Development Department so that we can walk you through this process, as it is a bit more tricky than what we have shown you here now.